A lot of you guys have heard about mitochondria, and keeping your mitochondria strong is a really, really good way to keep fatigue at bay and to keep up your energy levels. So, what I do, I take one shot of this and one shot of this when I get up in the morning, and sometimes I'll do it a couple other times during the day, but it literally is so good for you. It helps me feel good at night, it helps me sleep better later on. And there's more than 70 natural occurring minerals, electrolytes, some aminos, some B vitamins, everything that you need. So just try it. It tastes like water. I know it looks gross, but one shot tastes like water and you're done. So use the code Chantel Ray. You're going to get a huge discount. Sometimes it's 20% off. Sometimes it's even more. So B Minerals has really upped my mineral game. And don't forget, there's so many trace minerals that you're not getting and you need them because our American diet just doesn't give you all the trace minerals that you need.